Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the command prompt is not working in Windows 11. So for this you have to go to the task manager option from here. If you search for the task manager, then you have to click on the task manager option from here, and here you have to search for the CMD option. So in Windows 11 you can simply type it in the upper menu, and here you will get the option of CMD or command panel. But if it's not showing here, then what you can do is just simply skip this process. After that, if it's showing, then you have to simply right click on it, then you have to choose the end task option from that, then you have to close the window. Then what you need to do is click on the blank space of the desktop, then you have to click on the new option, then you have to click on the shortcut option, then you have to search for the cmd.exe, and here you can see we are searching for cmd.exe. Then you have to click on next, then you have to click on finish. After that you have to right click on it, then you have to click on the show more options, then you have to click on the properties, then you have to click on the advanced, then you have to click on the run as administrator selected, then you have to click on OK. After that you have to click on apply, then OK, then you have to click on it, and it will most likely to work now. But if that's not working, then what you can do is what you need to do is go to the start button, then you have to search for the systm.cpl in the start button, then you have to simply click on it, then you have to click on the advanced option from here, and here you have to click on the environment variables, then you have to choose the path, then you have to click on the edit option from here. After that you have to click on the file explorer that you would like to use. So for example, I would like to use this one. Then what you need to do is go to the this PC option, then you have to choose the OS option or the C disk that you are currently using, then you have to choose the C disk option from here, then you have to click on the Windows, then you have to scroll down and you have to look for the Windows WoW option from here, and we're looking for that, and we need to scroll down here below we are scrolling down, and we're looking for the system WoW option. You can see system WoW 64, then you have to click on it. After that you have to click on the address bar, then you have to simply copy this address, then you have to go to that page again, and here you have to click on the new option from here, and here you have to simply paste that option, then you have to click on OK. After that you have to click on OK again, then you have to click on apply, then you have to click on OK. After that you have to close all this window, and then what you need to do is go to the start button from here, then you have to search for the control panel option from here, and once you're in the control panel option, and make sure the view by icons into the category, then you have to choose the system and security option from here, and then what you need to do is click on the system option from here, and after that you have to wait couple of seconds to make the settings open, then you have to scroll down, then you have to click on the system protection option from here, and here you have to choose the advanced option from here, I mean the system protection option from here, then you have to click on the system restore option from here, and after that if you click on the system restore, here you will get the option of recommend restore and choose a different restore point. Then you have to my recommendation is choose this one. You can simply choose the time and other things from here, then you have to click on the next option, then here you have to choose the drives that you would like to get install it, then you have to click on finish. After that it will most likely to get fixed. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.